morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator plunged into the negative area. Bitcoin has gained 8.8% in the last session. The ADX has moved sharply into positive territory. The price of gold has gained 0.4% in the last two sessions. The ATR has bounced upwards into the high volatility zone. The price of crude oil has gained 1.9% in the last session. The ADX is strengthening and is now giving a positive signal.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil hit an 11-month high just below $57 a barrel, bolstered by Saudi Arabia's plans to limit supply, offsetting worries that rising coronavirus cases globally would curtail fuel demand. The Canadian dollar edged higher against its U.S. counterpart along with rising oil prices, with the currency clawing back some ground after hitting its weakest in nearly 2 weeks. Nexus Mutual is extending its community-based insurance offering to users of crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. Consumer Price Index will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. Consumer Price Index Core at 13:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 10:00 GMT. Italy's industrial output will be released at 900 GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index at 2350 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.